Today we're making flourless peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. This is a one bowl recipe because we aren't sifting together any dry ingredients. Our recipe makes 18 of these delightful cookies, so you'll probably just want to double that up right out of the gate. We start out with 1 cup of peanut butter, and I'm using a combination of both creamy and crunchy, and 2/3 of a cup of firmly packed light brown sugar. We're adding to that 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. We're adding 1 large egg at room temperature, and we're flavoring this with 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And we're going to fold in 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. And I'm using a 1 tablespoon cookie scoop. If you're using a cookie scoop, you can flatten these with the back of your cookie scoop. Dip a cup or a glass in some sugar. I'm using granulated sugar. So into a 350-degree oven for 8 to 10 minutes, but we're gonna keep an eye on them and make sure they don't start turning brown around the edges. Our cookies are out of the oven, and mine cooked 9 minutes. And unlike most cookies, these are gonna remain on the baking sheet until they're completely cool. So I removed mine before they browned up too much. So just keep an eye on them because you don't want these to get crunchy. If you love peanut butter and chocolate, you're gonna love these sweet little treats.